Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video edit with my smartphone, so I hope the camera is well. We are in the middle of summer. I think everyone on August is almost on holiday, so I decided to review this new product from Guerlain. This is the Terracotta Touch edition. It's a loose powder to go, and this is the poof you can see inside. The shade is light, so it's perfect for fair skin. I love Guerlain Terracotta range, so this is one of the oldest version. This is the 4th season, and this is the shade for blonde, so this is the most fair, and in my opinion light terracotta touch is similar. It's a similar shade, so if you love blondes, light is for you. I decided to try Terracotta Touch because I saw that you can also open this packaging, and inside you can see there is the loose powder, and you can take it with a brush inside if you don't like this poof, and then you can close it. It smells delicious as always. It's got this deep violet scent. It's very simple to use because the product inside diffuses into the puff, and you simply apply like this the product, and you can't really see a deep bronzer effect with this shade, but it's a very diffused effect, so you turn the pale you are to a light tan. That if you are darker, there are also other shades to choose. So this is the way to applicate this product. You also can make some circular movements, and I really like because it's my color but not so pale. And I also tried it over Chanel Beige new foundation, the water tint I mean. They are very similar in a way because they make you look tan, a little bit tan in a very natural way, I mean for pale skin. I already have some products with this kind of application, and I have to say I like them because they give you the right amount of product, and you can buff it like this. As I told you, if you wanna have a more precise application, you can also open and put your brush and then use it to define some point. Packaging is very sophisticated, like any terracotta from Guerlain. I got no regret about having bought this and not the traditional bronzer formula. So I love to discover new products, especially when they are so fine at first glance. And I make you see inside. It's a very fine powder, very soft, and no shiny effect. It's a matte powder. Let me know if you have tried this product or if you are more for a traditional bronzer like this, maybe more easy to use every day, but when you try this one, you can see it's very cute also to have in your bag to retouch your makeup with a simpler gesture. I have to say that it's nice to try. So this is my review about Guerlain Terracotta. It's a very small review, but I hope it could be also useful. So enjoy your holidays and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep on following me also on Instagram. Bye!